te kublai shibun ki baro ki parlo ki ba parajo ki ba josul tenan ban snap ki kubor lajam ha kani ka channel te mentang wara yep chapa pi chapang ka way ka advertisement jong ka Meghalaya Basin Development Agency te kani ka advertisement ka dei work in interview mo direct interview ka dei ka work interview following for appointment they short them engagement mo initial for the 8 months initial date interest candidate for the Meghalaya Basin Development Agency Meghalaya State House Financing Cooperative Society Ltd Compose Nong Rim Hill Shillong ti ali nya puli ya kane ka advertisement lane ki post lane bat ki qualification but kumju ru ya ka monthly enrollment but kumju ya ki ka number of post bat ka posting kadai hangno te ka number post kadai tang kawai mo ka to field engineer nakta ka qualification kadai in graduate or postgraduate in civil engineering soil and water conservation in agriculture water resource but ka required experience minimum 3 year of working experience at the supervision of the construction structure in perform ka post jong ani kadai ka qualification ki shim namata ka graduate lani postgraduate ki ba dep ban pendep ya ka civil engineering lani soil lani ka water conservation agriculture komtater but ka qualification lani ka experience kam duna ya kalais nem ba platre kum supervision mo work hagano no benta tanakta ka essential skill but experience in contract manager contract management preparation of the estimate is civil work nakta ka monthly enrollment kadai 1,000 fixed with TA and DA as a base as a administrable nakta ka number post kadai kadon brutally vacancy mo nakta ka posting kadai Shillong nakta ka date and time of time for work interview kandai haka characteristic ubnai match ajarsan nakta time of the registration kandai khandai baji hadu kharwai baji nakta ka position kandai field engineer nakta number 3 but ki candidate should bring along with the document ki candidate ki document bakin wara kin long update a resume nakta recent passport size photo kawai nakta original certificate for verification self attested the copies of the educational qualification mark sheet age and certificate experience extra te kini kilong ki document mo ka resume lani ka biodata nakta pira kawai ka passport size nakta ki dokumen lani ki kanika original certificate nakta phila ban attest ya kitu ki education lani ki certificate lani ki dokumen jobi mo but ka mark sheet but kumta pinra ya ki hakata kasni ba pinlek interview ya kani ka post te kan long ro kajing kerkhu ya phi kum ki khun samla mo ba phin apply ya kani ka kam rengkat kajing tuai kajong ublei un kerkhu bat don rengkat ya phi wat klet ro ban share like and subscribe